pork tenderloins, chili powder, and other spices. Mix them with a little fresh grapefruit juice. Chili citrus pork tenderloins.
Now I've got a pork loin in this container. Yesterday afternoon, sprinkled it down with 1 to 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Let it dry brine overnight. Now, if you don't have time to dry brine, you can just add a tablespoon and a half of kosher salt to this seasoning mix I'll show you in a minute. Hey, I am going to trim this guy up just a little bit. It's got a little bit more fat than what I like on my pork loin. You make the call if you want to trim it up or not. But you can see we got that silver skin underneath, and that won't cook off. So I want to get rid of all of that. I think I got this second one trimmed up about as much as I'm going to trim these guys. Let me just get this last little piece off here. There we go. Now let's move over to the seasoning mix. 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of Truvia artificial sweetener.
You could also use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar instead.
1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now I've got 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. We've got some grapefruit here. That's about 1, 2, I'd say 4 to 5 tablespoons of grapefruit juice. A lot of folks call this chili crisp. You can see my particular one says chili crunch, but it's like a chili paste. 1/2 teaspoon of that. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to start. This is avocado oil. That's about 1 tablespoon. Let's go 2 tablespoons. We'll mix it up. You want kind of like a paste that we're going to rub these pork loins down with. There we go. Now I've got a container here. Just going to slide these pork loins in here so I can keep from making a mess. Then we're going to put this good chili grapefruit sauce that we made in here. Don't want to waste any of it. And you can see I'm just going to brush it over all these sides. We'll turn it over here in a second. You want to get every ounce, every inch, I guess is the better word, of this pork loin all covered in this delicious pepper. And now I think we got these guys all brushed up.
We're going to let these pork loins sit here, soak up that seasoning mixture while we get the grill ready.
We've got enough charcoal from the last cook. Then I've just got some small pecan pieces I'm going to spread around. This cook won't take long today, and I'll be cooking indirect today.
Hey, our grill is up to temp.
We're going to cook around 300 degrees today. Let me get that lid up, get our pork loins on here. Let this cook get started. Now just look at those things, they look beautiful. There we go.
It's been about 35 minutes. Let's go check on these pork tenderloins.
Now you can see that one's 145. I'm going to get it off. This one's a little thicker. Going to get it off also. Oh, they just got some gorgeous color on them. We're just going to let these guys rest here for about 10 minutes before we cut into them. Now for a little color, I'm going to hit them up with this sriracha mayo. I really like this stuff. It tastes good, offers a nice contrast. Chili citrus pork tenderloin. We're going to cut into these guys. I'm going to set this one aside here. Tender. I should have brought a fork out, but I didn't. Let's have a look. Oh, look how juicy that pork tenderloin is. Can you see the juice coming out of that? I would say it's cooked about medium. Kind of the way I like my pork loin. Let's have a taste. I mean, look, just how tender. Juicy. Oh man, they're just full of flavor. You get a little bit of that spice. You definitely get like that citrusy from the grapefruit. Hey, if you like this video, I've got 2 more right down below. Oh man.